Hello you all. So today we will be using Fevicryl Mouldit to make some very pretty K-pop keychains. Now let's proceed with the process of making the keychain. Fevicryl Mouldit comes with one part epoxy resin and another part of hardener. You cut both of them in equal parts and mix them well, knead them well, and you get one, I think you can call it a clay dough. Once you're done with that process, you have to roll it flat. I used a crochet needle that's made of plastic that was lying around the house. And I used a little bit of powder to smoothen out the clay so it's flat and nice and smooth. And then I used the stencil to trace out the shape of the logo that I wanted. And then we should not forget to pick a hole on top to accommodate the keychain. So that's that, and we'll have to let it set. Mouldit says it takes about 90 minutes for it to completely harden. I was running out of daylight, so I let it set the whole night. Returning to it the next morning, I painted it with the base coat, which is grey. I gave a couple of coats, made sure it dried. I used Fevicryl acrylic paints for the same and a flat brush. Once it was dry, I tried to take a stencil of the logo design as well in the center, but using the stencil was a bit of a disaster, so I did try and tweak it with a size 000 brush, which is kind of my favorite brush for detailing. So yeah, what you can see here is me trying to detail out the logo. Quite messy, yes, but it's a start. I'm happy with how it's shaping up. So yeah, I'm gonna let you see what I do.